Welcome to How DX and create use case diagram using Visual Studio Code. We'll talk about two topics. 1. How to create simple use case diagram. 2. How to create relationship in use case diagram. Topic 1. First, open Visual Studio Code. Then, install Draw.io extension. Next, we will create Draw.io file by following these steps. When file was created successfully, blank diagram is opened. Make sure that we selected UML components in library. UML is the good choice for designing software or application. UML is short for Unified Modeling Language. Let's go to UML section in our list. And ready to create simple use case diagram. Select use case icon. Drag and drop in the blank view. A use case describes a function that a system performs to achieve the user's goal. A use case must yield an observable result that is of value to the user of the system. Select actor icon. An actor represents a role of a user that interacts with the system that you are modeling. Each actor has a unique name that describes the role of the user who interacts with the system. Draw a line to make a connection between actor user and sign-up use case. And we completed a simple sign-up use case diagram. In topic 2, we'll talk about 3 relationships: include relationship, extend relationship, and generalization relationship. Review our previous simple use case diagram, call sign-up diagram. Let's create another simple use case diagram, call payment diagram. In UML modeling, an include relationship is a relationship in which one use case, the base use case, includes the functionality of another use case, the inclusion use case. The following figure illustrates an e-commerce application that provides customers with the option of making a payment of their orders. This behavior is modeled with a base use case called payment that has an inclusion use case called login. An include relationship points from the payment to the login to indicate that the payment use case always includes the behaviors in the login use case. In UML modeling, you can use an extend relationship to specify that one use case, call extension, extends the behavior of another use case, call base. This diagram illustrates an e-commerce application extend the behavior of payment use case. They are cash payment and card payment. As the following figure illustrates, an extend relationship is displayed in the diagram editor as a dashed line with an open arrowhead pointing from the extension use case to the base use case. In UML modeling, a generalization relationship is a relationship in which one model element, the child, is based on another model element, the parent. The following figure illustrates an e-commerce application for customer, the parent, and kid customer, the child. The child model elements in generalizations inherit the attributes, operations, and relationships of the parent. You must only define for the child the attributes, operations, or relationships that are distinct from the parent. In summarize, these are 3 relationships in use case diagram: include relationship, extend relationship, and generalization relationship. Thanks for watching. I'm very happy when you like and subscribe my channel. And see you in the next video.